welcome to the garden. Today I'm doing some maintenance on our raised bed along the driveway. This has strawberries, chives, lavender, this is also where we grow our peonies. Then at the very back we have a row of hedges that's in need of a bit of a trim. I'm going to start by just cutting back the old chives. These flower around late spring, and right now they're starting to produce seeds. So I don't want these to drop along here because they'll overtake the strawberries really quickly. Because of their location at the back of the bed, our chives often lean forwards, especially after they flower. So now is a great time to cut them back before they drop their seeds. These are going to regrow so fast. There's already new growth sprouting from down low. And I'm cutting them back right down to a couple inches. That's really all they need. Just trying to scoop under all the plants that have fallen over. Give them a nice trim. It's really amazing how fast they regrow. It's almost like a second spring. They can even flower again. And all this delicate new growth is really tasty, mild onion flavor. So it's even great for harvesting new greens. Going to gather all of these up, and if you are going to mulch with these, you're going to be careful because those seed heads can still produce seeds even after they've been cut. And if I were just to use all these, we'd have chives popping up everywhere, which would look really awesome, but then we wouldn't have any strawberries. These will start sending out new growth right away, and they'll look like this after a couple days, and in a few weeks they should be nice and full again. I like to wait until late spring and even early summer to prune back our hedges. Birds will often nest in them, and I don't want to disturb them until the babies have left the nest. So unless you want your chives to spread, now is the perfect time to do a little bit of maintenance and just simply cut them back. I hope you give this a go in your garden. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Oh.